Hi, and welcome to the Snow Village Studio video series. In today's video, we are testing out structures. I'm going to show you what to look for when you're picking out the structure for your snow village. And we're here at the community center because, well, there's a lot of structures here to test. And I've got my lovely assistants here to help me pick out the perfect structure. I've got Roar and Dino Star. It's close to Halloween, so what better way to pick a structure than with two fabulous dinosaurs at my side? Let's go ahead and get started. Structures are the sturdy and flat items that your village will sit on. A structure will be against the floor or the wall or both. The structure size should accommodate your village. So find a structure that can fit your village or find a village that can fit your structure. A structure can include a table, countertop, shelf, floor, furniture, or a combination of all of these. Other than size, you'll want to find a structure that is secure. This is because it's holding up your village.
There are three primary questions to ask when you're picking out your structure. The first, will it take the weight? To ensure that your structure will be secure, place weight on the top of the structure and monitor the top and the legs to make sure that there is no bowing. If you see any bowing at all, this may be an unstable structure. Now that you've tested your structure to make sure that it can take weight, you're going to want to ask yourself if your structure will wobble. There are two simple tests for this, and each one will simulate visitors walking into your space. You're checking to see if the structure is resilient against traffic and accidents, and careless people or dinos. Grab a clear, plastic, lightweight cup and fill it half full with water, or half empty. Place it in the center of the structure. To test how the structure withstands careless people, stand beside the table and gently bump your hip or arm against the side of the structure. You're looking again for small waves, no splashes. If there is any kind of splashing going on, then you need to judge for yourself to see if this is a good structure, or you might need to reinforce the connection. Stomp around the structure a few times or dance like a maniac while looking to see how the water moves in the cup. You're looking for small waves, but no splashes. If there is splashing going on, that means that you either need to reinforce the connection or find another structure. And the last question to ask is the structure level? You can use a level for this test or grab your water cup again. Look to see if the water level is parallel to the bottom or the top of the cup. An unlevel structure isn't a huge security risk, but it could cause problems later and it could be visually distracting.